Hi, this is Lana Nguyen.
Alexia Nguyen with the C21 Soul team.
Welcome to our latest listing at 434 Galleria number 7 in San Jose.
This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath in a community with beautiful sparkling pool and 2-car garage.
Let's take a tour. Hi, we're here in the living room and we have a beautiful fireplace with vaulted ceilings and a sliding door that goes right to the patio.
And we have laminate floors that are waterproof and new paint interiors throughout.
So I'm in the dining area, and one of the things I like is that it's got such a nice open concept feel. So if you're serving guests from the kitchen area, you can easily access the dining area for entertaining. And then as you look from the dining area, you can capture the huge vaulted ceilings here, which makes for an impressive dinner.
This updated kitchen comes with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, gas stove, double sink, overlooking a beautiful patio. This private patio features a bay window and plenty of storage outside. I love this master bedroom with lots of natural lights, high ceiling, and you could definitely fit a king bed in here.
For sure, and also a work from home desk station as well.
In the master bath, we have the walk-in closet to my right, beautiful quartz countertop, custom cabinets with his or her, and soak-in tub with shower combo. On the second level, we have a full bath with a full-size bathtub. We have built-in laundry upstairs, very conveniently located near your master bedroom, and the washer dryers will stay included. This bedroom is very versatile. It can be used as an office, or if you have guests, you can fit a queen bed in here, and if you have kids, you can fit two twin beds in here with the full bath just outside.
Now, one of the things I like about this home is that you've got plenty of storage space. You've got this awesome storage nook right here underneath the stairway. And then let me show you the garage. So the garage is actually a finished garage. It just needs paint. It's got a couple of storage closets in here. It's got a nice side motor that doesn't take up a lot of space on the overhead.
We're here in the community pool with a jacuzzi tub,
an outdoor shower surrounded by redwood trees.
The property is close to companies like Facebook, Google, and Apple. Now, just about a mile or two down, you're in one of my favorite restaurant plazas, which features American food, Asian food, and of course, another Starbucks.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.